Wife living a nightmare when husband dies after fight in stadium parking. The wife of a Missouri man who mysteriously died outside a football stadium after getting into an altercation with another person says she can't understand the senseless tragedy that has consumed her family. Kyle Van Winkle, 30, of Smithville, Mo., was found unconscious outside Arrowhead Stadium December 1 while the Kansas City Chiefs were playing the Denver Broncos, according to police. Kansas City investigators have ruled his death a homicide, but say it could be weeks before they know what exactly killed Van Winkle. Van Winkle also leaves behind a 7-week-old son named Will. Kyle Van Winkle left his seat during the game to go to the restroom but he never returned, according to his father Dean Van Winkle, who also attended the game. Van Winkle, a police sergeant, said his son didn't appear to be intoxicated. Kyle Van Winkle apparently left the stadium and went to the parking lot, where he got into a green Jeep that looked like the vehicle he came to the game in, Kansas City Police spokesman Ty Grant said last week. The Jeep's owner found Van Winkle inside the vehicle and investigators say a struggle ensued and Van Winkle collapsed. Police responded to a disturbance call around 5:20 p.m. in Lawton at Truman Sports Complex, where Arrowhead Stadium is located. Van Winkle was taken to a hospital, where he was later pronounced dead. 4 people were taken into custody for questioning following the incident, but no one was charged.